MVIS stock analysis and MVIS stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Relatively speaking, man, Microvision stock for me is like still a bullish market, and I want to take things up, but it's not going to be your everyday like random buys or whatever. I have done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses, mentorships, documented everything, and relatively it's looking awesome. Honestly, like it does look very, very, very good. Since the first breaks of the confirmation already started to happen, the crucial part of from this point onward is the price actually pulling down a tiny bit. Like this is nothing, you know, that this is, I mean, I'm not even counting this as a pullback, but I want to see a little bit more, and then once it breaks those highs, we can count this as the second break and actually start to take things up. Everything else is going to be noise. So that's how MVIS looks like. It's not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.